Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Frigidaire dishwasher won't start but lights are flashing. Let's dive in. Here are some steps you need to do. The first is to check the door latch. Verify the door is securely closed and latched, as the dishwasher wouldn't start if the latch is not engaged. Check for door latch for visible signs of damage or misalignment. Replace if necessary. The next is to reset the dishwasher. Turn off the dishwasher by unplugging it or switching off the circuit breaker. Wait for 5 minutes, then restore power to reset the control panel. Try starting the dishwasher again. The next is to inspect the control panel. Flashing light may indicate a shorted keypads. Clean the control panel with a soft, dry cloth to remove moisture or debris. If the lights persist, the keypad or control board may need replacement. The next is to examine error code. Flashing light may correspond to specific error codes. Refer to your user manual or Frigidaire's official error code guidance to determine the issues. Follow the recommended steps to address the identified error. The next is to check the water inlet valve. A faulty water inlet valve can prevent the dishwasher from starting. Test the valve for continuity using a multimeter. If defective, replace it. The next is to inspect the heating element. A damaged heating element can cause the dishwasher to stop mid-cycle or not start. Inspect the element for visible damage or test for continuity with a multimeter. Replace the heating element if malfunctioning. The next is to consult the user manual. Model-specific guidance can be taken from the user manual. Follow any additional instructions for addressing flashing lights or startup issues. If none of the above solutions work, you need to contact the support or a certified technician. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.